Hello everyone, Dev here. In this video's review I'm going to show you a software that will allow you to create professional attention-grabbing sales videos for your business in just a few clicks. And make sure you watch until the end because I'll show you all the step-by-step demo, pricing, pros and cons, discounts so you know what you're getting into if you decide to buy. Before we begin, I must warn you that this software is only available on their official website. If you decide to purchase this software, go to the official website. To make your search easier, I have included the official link in the description. Let's get started. The world's most powerful video AI sales videos, testimonial videos, lead magnet videos, upsell videos, onboarding videos, special offer videos, event announcement videos, content videos, and more. Every single day, delivered automatically to your inbox. Viddyoze is an incredibly amazing and outstanding platform that allows you to create scroll-stopping videos in a matter of minutes. Viddyoze tools are professional and simple to use. Viddyoze demo. Viddyoze pros and cons. Pros. The animations are of high quality, and the variety of styles and live-action options are appealing. Viddyoze is an excellent piece of software that allows you to convert your video viewers into customers by producing visually appealing and professional videos. Cons. When they updated the look of it, it confused me a little, but their customer service and Facebook community really helped me. Viddyoze pricing. For another thing, you're coming in at the very best one-time price. This version of Viddyoze will ever be offered for $67. And this software comes with a money-back guarantee of 100%, but take advantage of limited-time offers. Click the link in the description to purchase this product during the Black Friday sale. My opinion. The quality of the animations is very good, and also the variety of styles and the live-action options are very cool. If you want to grab the attention of the users and if you want to increase your sales conversions, then Viddyoze is really perfect for you. And it is very useful. You can create a video in a minute, making it easy to update audience. Also, the video outcome is very perfect. And you want to do it for the best one-time price, with unlimited video renders and commercial license, you can definitely try this product. That's all for now, guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, it will be very useful to me in the long run. Have a great week.